Your place inside and out. Sponsored by Eldon Furniture.
This week's home improvement tip, we're discussing the importance of having your carpets cleaned on a regular basis. To start, one of the most important reasons, in my opinion, is it will help with your carpet's lifespan. Who doesn't want long-lasting carpets? Next are the health benefits. There can be a lot of buildup and pollutants that get backed up into the carpet, and a regular vacuum job just won't cut it. This can include dust mites, bacteria, and allergens, to name a few. Finally, the smell and appearance of a good carpet clean can be a life changer. If you're in the market for carpet cleaning or any home improvement, we have professionals here for you.
Furniture, flooring, bedding, and blinds. That's what you'll find at Eldon Furniture. We make every house a home.
It's February, and while it's cold outside, the deals are heating up inside. You'll find big savings in every department.
Furniture, flooring, bedding,
and blinds.
We have a presidential selection.
And great buys for your sweetheart.
Follow us on Facebook, visit us online,
Or in our downtown Eldon showroom.
Eldon Furniture.